Hello, my name is Jennifer. Thank you for choosing Monster Paste for your prosthetic transfers. I'm going to show you all of the steps necessary to create your own 3D transfers using Monster Paste. Step 1. You will need to create a flat mold or use one supplied in your Monster Paste starter kit. You will also need a sheet of acetate film and scissors. Place your mold on top of the acetate film and cut around the mold. Step 2. Place your mold on a flat surface. Apply a small amount of Vaseline or mold release gel onto the mold with your finger. Using a tongue depressor, apply Monster Paste into the mold, making sure that you fill in all of the holes and cavities. Spread an even layer, remove any extra paste, and place it back into the jar. Step 3. Your acetate film has a release agent on one side, however, it is clear and cannot be seen with the eye. To determine which side to use, mark each side with a marker. The side which bubbles up is the side which will go face down on the mold. Place the acetate film down on one end. Using your finger, press softly and slowly wave it back and forth across the acetate film to remove all air bubbles. Step 4. With your squeegee, press from the center of the piece and with medium pressure, pull the Monster Paste out to the edges. Rotate the mold and pull from all directions. You want to try to pull the paste into the flashing as evenly as possible. Step 5. Place the mold into a freezer for 1 to 2 hours. Step 6. Remove the mold from the freezer, place face down, acetate side down, on a flat surface. Roll the mold back slowly away from the acetate film, releasing the prosthetic from the mold. Step 7. While the piece is still frozen, gently remove the excess Monster Paste from around the edge by using your fingernail to scrape it away. Do not pull straight up. Pull out and away from the edge. Step 8. Place in a safe area for dehydrating. Depending on the size and thickness, the dehydration process could take from 1 day to 2 weeks to fully dry. It does not need to be fully dry to apply, however, it is recommended. You can use a food dehydrator or heat lamps to help speed up the process. Do not put them in an oven. Step 9. Once completely dehydrated, you will need to wash the piece to remove any Vaseline. Because these Monster Paste transfers are waterproof, warm water and dish soap will not affect them at all. Use a paper towel to dry off. Applying your transfer. Step 1. After washing the transfer with water and dish soap, the piece should be a bit sticky and ready to press into the transfer paper. You may also apply a thin coat of Prosthetic to make them even more sticky if desired, but not necessary. Step 2. The transfer paper has 2 sides, a matte, non-glossy side and a glossy side with a water release coating. With the matte side facing up, place your transfer piece on top. Using scissors, cut around the edge. Stay close to the edge of your transfer piece. Step 3. Place the transfer paper glossy side up on a flat surface. Place your transfer piece face down on the glossy side of the transfer paper. Using your thumbs, press firmly. Use lots of pressure around the edges. Step 4. Carefully and slowly peel the plastic acetate film from the prosthetic piece. If an edge starts to peel up, press down again and try once more. If the edge is still lifting, try peeling from another corner. The acetate film should peel off smoothly. Step 5. Clean the skin with an alcohol wipe to ensure the quality of adhesion. Since the prosthetic is made from mostly a medical-grade adhesive, it will adhere to the skin very strongly. However, you may add additional adhesive to the piece if you desire. Step 6. Press the transfer onto the skin firmly. Using water in a spray bottle or wet paper towel, soak the paper. Soon the paper will become soft and you can peel it away. You may also see some edges that are not completely down. Just use your finger while it is still wet and rub the edge down. Dry with a paper towel. Step 7. Apply blood and you have a very realistic looking wound that was applied in just seconds. Removing the transfer. The transfer will last for days if taken care of. However, it is easy to remove. Just use your fingernail to pluck up an edge to peel away. Use alcohol wipes to clean any adhesive left behind.